Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get AutoShoot on PC with Rivals on Roblox. So this is actually a very quick and easy thing to do. Go ahead and launch your Rivals here. Make sure you are on the settings on Rivals, not on the Roblox settings. Go ahead and click on it. And let me go ahead and remove this real quick. And then go to the game settings right here. Scroll down until you see accessibility. And on control scheme, this only works on touch buttons and controller. So when you go ahead and do on touch controller, it will be on automatic shoot. But over here, once you get automatic shoot, you will have to interact or change some settings since you are on a PC. It will be quite buggy, but it will have an auto shoot. Anyways, that is pretty much it. Go ahead and tweak your settings for better, less buggy settings for auto shoot. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a wonderful day.